Oh, I'm okay. I'm so sorry we're late. We couldn't use our stupid timeshare again this year. So we're staying here again with my grandson. He treats us so well.
You know, Gladys, Sam and I finally got rid of our timeshare after years of not being able to use it or sell it. I got rid of it myself using the Cancel Any Timeshare app. Only took 10 days to cancel the contract, never have to worry about it again.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Cancel Any Timeshare?
Yeah.
They have an app for everything nowadays, huh? I'll get my grandson Jimmy to help me download it. He just loves helping Grandma Gladys. Ain't that right, Jimmy?
What's that, Grandma?
Oh! He'll be okay.
I'm okay. I'm okay.